Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Buick Encore oil. First, gather your supplies: a 10 or 13 millimeter wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will need about 4 2/10 to 4 7/10 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil and a new cartridge-style oil filter. Don't forget a new drain plug washer and safety gear. To begin, warm your engine for a few minutes. This helps the old oil drain more efficiently. Next, safely raise your vehicle and locate the oil drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Using a 10 or 13 millimeter wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug washer and reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to about 10 to 15 foot-pounds. Now, locate the oil filter housing, often on top of the engine. Remove the old cartridge filter and install the new one with fresh O-rings, tightening the housing to 18 foot-pounds. Finally, pour in your new 5W30 synthetic oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the fresh lubricant. Carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the oil filter housing. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the full marks. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil and old filter at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.